Hey YouTube, we are back for part 2 of California PA School and what makes each PA school in California unique and stand out. As you know, PA schools are all just a little bit different from their requirements to how they teach and their curriculum and what they offer. Each school has its own spin. Here's what we found to be unique about each PA school in California, part 2. Okay, up first for part 2 of California PA schools is Samuel Merritt University PA program in Oakland, California. This PA school has a cadaver lab and also has extensive simulation technology, so if you want a school that emphasizes hands-on learning, this is the school to look into. They also have a small class size with a cohort of only 44 students. The other thing that stood out about Samuel Merritt is their admissions process. They have a lower GPA prerequisite. They only require a minimum overall in science GPA of 2.8, in addition to specifically emphasizing that they have a holistic admissions process, meaning they look at you as a whole applicant. So if you have a less than average GPA, consider applying to this program if you meet the rest of their prereqs. This school also gives preference for economically disadvantaged, first-generation college students and English as a non-primary language applicants. Next up is Southern California University of Health Sciences PA program in Whittier, California. This school self-reports that they are a first-of-its-kind program where PA students learn alongside other healthcare disciplines. You learn the philosophies, practices, and treatment options for integrative whole person healthcare, including learning about chiropractic medicine, acupuncture, naturopaths, Ayurveda, and Chinese medicine. Another cool thing is they feature an integrative medicine core rotation and 2 elective rotations in their clinical year. This program values applicants with clinical experience and require a minimum of 2,000 hours of paid patient care experience. So if you shine in the area of patient care, check out this PA school. That's what they value. The next PA school is Stanford University PA Studies program in Stanford, California. So this school has a summer break built into the curriculum, which we thought was really interesting, as most PA schools go straight through with minimal, if any, breaks. Students take courses alongside medical students during didactic year and are required to select a leadership track as part of their education. Their leadership tracks include a community health track, a health services and policy research track, clinical research track, medical education track, and a healthcare administration track. This is such a unique and valuable part of their program, and it's important for applicants who have a passion for any of these areas to look into this program, because you'll gain leadership experience before you even graduate PA school. Stanford also touts an exceptional anatomy lab and a cool sounding histology and embryology courses in their didactic year. They value diversity in their students, and they focus on training PAs who will work in medically underserved and healthcare provider shortage areas. They also have a 100% PANCE pass rate. Way to go, Stanford, and clearly their curriculum and teaching style is successful. For candidates interested in applying to Stanford, they have interesting prereqs. The school only requires a bachelor's degree and the Casper exam. There are no other specific required courses, although there's lots of recommended courses. Toro University California PA program in Vallejo, California is in the spotlight next. As part of this PA school, you have the opportunity to earn 2 master's degrees in 3 years. You can get a joint master's of PA studies and a master's of public health degrees in just 3 years. Toro emphasizes social justice, diversity, equity, inclusion, and accessibility, which is awesome. And they also have 2 electives in the clinical year that you can participate in. Next PA school is University of California Davis PA program in Sacramento, California. We love this school's focus on preventative medicine, health promotion, and disease prevention. We think this is so important in medicine, so love this. They value leadership and even have a leadership and professional practice course in didactic year. If you are a candidate with a strong leadership background, look into the school because they value that. Unique courses also include an informatics course and courses discussing the business side of healthcare and reimbursement, which is so needed before hitting the ground running as a practicing PA. Knowing about reimbursement and coding and billing is one of the areas we think PA students should be well versed in before graduating, so this is such a great thing to include in their curriculum. University of La Verne Master of Physician Assistant Practice in La Verne, California is our next PA school, and they really strive and are committed to eliminating healthcare disparities. They also value diversity, inclusion, and lifelong learning through evidence-based medicine. If you're looking to attend a PA school with a small class size, take a peek at this school. They have a very small class size of only 30 students. Another thing we absolutely loved about the school is they are very military and veteran friendly. They received the military friendly school designation 5 times and advocate for military and veterans, even guaranteeing an interview to veterans who meet the minimum admission criteria. If you have military service, definitely check this PA school out. Next up, University of Southern California PA program in Los Angeles, California. Okay, if you are a non-traditional applicant or have older prereqs, this is a school to check out. USC has a 10-year prerequisite course exemption with an option to waive this exemption. So if you have really old prereqs or it's been years since you've taken courses, you can consider this program. Throughout their website, they demonstrate a strong value for diversity in faculty and students, and they have medical Spanish built into the curriculum, which is awesome. Students of the school have volunteering opportunities available throughout the program, and they even start with a service day at orientation. Something else amazing about USC is that students get advocacy training in Washington, D.C. every year to meet congressional representatives and advocacy groups, which is incredible. And if you are even remotely interested in advocating for the PA profession or getting involved with legislation as a PA, check out the school. Finally, during the curriculum, students participate in a USC PA Pathway program where they get to work with K through 16 students, teaching them about healthcare professions. University of the Pacific PA program in Sacramento, California is next up on the roster. We love their advanced clinical skills and procedure training focus in the curriculum. So if you are a hands-on learner, if you love procedures, or if you're interested in going into a procedure-based specialty such as emergency medicine, look into the school. They also offer 3 electives in their rotations and have an opportunity for students to do a remote elective to expose students to telemedicine, which is so cool. We love telemedicine and haven't come across any other school that offers something like this. Other things we love about the University of the Pacific is that medical Spanish is a required component in the curriculum, and they emphasize point-of-care ultrasound training. Finally, they have a high PANCE pass rate. Exceptional school. Way to go. The last PA school in California is Western University of Health Sciences PA Education Program in Pomona, California. This school is a small private institution that fosters interprofessional learning. They seem to have a strong student-centered approach and have great student support resources such as tutoring. Students also have the opportunity to participate in student clubs and volunteer opportunities. So there you go. That is part 2 of California PA schools and their highlights. We are continually impressed by the diversity and how unique each curriculum and program focus is. Hopefully this will help you as you are choosing which PA programs to apply to on CASPA and narrowing it down to your hot list of schools. And we'll catch you at the next episode.